Good morning, hello, and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing from Monday, March 4th, 2019. I regret to inform you this is a abbreviated briefing, mostly because we've had software issues this morning in building the presentation slides. So we don't really have too much to show you here. But here's a surface weather depiction for today and tonight, showing that there is some light snow possible over southwestern Idaho. But by the time you get into eastern Idaho and even central Idaho, that might be a little bit overdone. We are expecting no precipitation for today or tonight here in eastern Idaho of any kind. Temperatures will struggle to get into the above freezing for the eastern Magic Valley and portions of the Snake River Plain. Elsewhere, it will be staying below freezing. Overnight lows will continue to be cold. We especially have some bone-chilling temperatures just coming along our border with Montana. So in the upper Snake Highlands, temperatures are getting below zero, and those are filtering even down into the northern end of the Snake River Plain. With places like Rexburg getting down to the single digits, around 7 degrees. Island Park below zero. And the same with Driggs being in the negative teens. We are not expecting any winds with this either. Winds should stay below 10 miles an hour. On Tuesday and Tuesday night, you can see precipitation does start during this interval. We will basically have a clear, in terms of precipitation, and probably partly cloudy and mostly cloudy skies for Tuesday. By Tuesday evening, snow should have started in the central Idaho mountains, and after 11 p.m. we are looking for snow to develop in the rest of eastern Idaho, extending all the way over to the Wyoming border, with the last place probably getting any precipitation would be the Bear River Basin, or the Bear Lake Basin, excuse me. And that will continue into Wednesday and Wednesday night. You can see here it does change over to basically a mixture. We are looking for areas where the snow could be heavy. You can see over here the Grand Teton Range. Also, I think our border with our Boise area on the extreme Blaine County border with counties to the west and the extreme northeast west portion of Custer County, we'll see snowfall that should exceed 8 inches above 7,000 feet in a lot of places. But we will see low elevation rain. Temperatures will actually continue to warm. So this is very similar to last week in that we are getting warmer temperatures, lower elevations. And even in a place like Pocatello, we should be in the lower to middle 40s. So the bulk of the precipitation in Pocatello's area will be rain. We might get a tenth to a half of an inch that would probably wash away fairly easily by the afternoon on Wednesday. And then the precipitation rates will slacken off on Wednesday evening. So the peak for the snowfall should be basically from 11 p.m. Tuesday night to 11 a.m. Wednesday morning. And this is what we expect for both Tuesday night into Wednesday, 5 p.m. You can see nothing from Blackfoot, basically in the I-15 and I-86 corridor here. Not much going on. But when you get into the mountains and get some elevation, especially as you can see above 5,000 feet or so, we are getting more significant accumulations. You see here 1 to 2 inches, and then around the 5,500 foot level, it goes from 2 to 4. And most of the stuff that exceeds 8 inches is above 7,000 feet. And same over here in eastern Idaho, very similar elevations. And so we're not looking at this being anywhere near anything like last week, is the first thing to point out. We're not getting any of the winds like we would have gotten, or that we got last week either. Wind should be about 5 to 15 miles an hour, which would be very hard for it to lift any snow, and those will mostly be limited to the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley. So light snow, it may warrant some sort of winter weather advisory for the mountains above 7,000 feet, both on this side and in the eastern highlands along the Wyoming border. Okay, the extended forecast, Thursday, snow looks likely again. Again, for the central Idaho mountains and eastern highlands, elsewhere just a chance of rain and snow. Here you can see the snow level expected, or the snow amounts expected, or even less than Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Thursday night, there is just a chance of snow, pretty much, again, central Idaho mountains, eastern highlands, and a chance of rain and snow in the lower elevations. You can see the lows starting to cool off once again as we start to get colder air coming in. And again, some south wind of 5 to 15 miles an hour will be limited to the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and the south central highlands. Then on Friday and Friday night, snow is likely again. Once again, the central Idaho mountains and the eastern highlands are the main focus. And in the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and the south central highlands, we are looking for a chance of rain or snow. You can see the temperatures there. Actually, even in the central Idaho mountains, eastern highlands, we could get some occasional snow at some of the very low elevations. And then lows will once again be cooling off by about another 6 degrees or so. And then Saturday through Saturday night and Sunday, there's just a slight chance of snow in the central Idaho mountains and eastern highlands. Otherwise, it'll be mostly cloudy, so pretty much dry for most people. Highs will be bottoming out, and lows also cold. And then Saturday night, the winds in the Snake River Plain will continue to be west, and they'll start to get gusty for this Friday night, and Saturday storm. With west winds of 15 to 25 miles an hour, which could lift some snow. But right now, it's not looking like a whole lot of snow for this event. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, feel free to always contact us at this telephone number provided here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback for the content of the briefing, email our webmaster here at the email address provided. Thanks for watching.